Okay, so this is our interface, and let me show you my Final Cut Pro version that I'm using. So I go to About Final Cut Pro. Okay, I'm using 10.4.6. Yeah, this is the version I'm using. At the moment, the version there is 10.6, which is right now going on, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, which is also fine. It's still the same. There are few updates here and there, and whatever I'm going to teach, it's definitely going to be helpful for you guys. So whether you're using 10.4 or 10.5 or 10.6 or whatever, unless Final Cut Pro completely changes everything again, but I don't think so that's going to happen very soon. Okay, but the basics of editing never change. They are always the same. So yeah, let's close this. Before we start, I also want to show you. Please go to your Final Cut Pro here. Go to File. Sorry, go to Final Cut Pro. Go to Preferences. So for complete tutorial, please visit my Udemy page, and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description, and there's a link to my Udemy course. So please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.